In this video tutorial, we will learn how to compile and run Java program using NetBeans IDE. NetBeans is one of the popular integrated development environment to develop Java-based applications. You can download NetBeans IDE from netbeans.apache.org. Make sure you have Java Development Kit properly installed in your system. Let's compile and run Java program using NetBeans IDE. Go to File menu and create new project. When we create new project, some basic parameters you have to set. Like under Java, because NetBeans offer many programming languages related support, so you will get lot of other options. Select Java. Under Java, normal Java application. Then next. On next page, you have to specify your project name. So let's give, this is OOP demo 1 project. Select the location where you want to store. Select the location where you want to store. So I am saving under E drive Java demo and some temporary folder. Deselect this because I don't want to set this as a main class. At this moment, just give your project name. Finish. This will create environment for us where we will be able to write our code now. So you can see here OOP Lab 1 project is created with some default folders which are created here. Don't touch any of this at this moment. We will use advanced functionalities later. Just on your project name, right click, new, create Java class. Give class name hello world. This file we are creating at this location, and then just finish this. Something will happen internally and NetBeans will help us. You can see a lot of things are now added automatically. Class is also created and some other documentation. This is standard practice which you have to follow also. This is a multi-line comment which is written here, and as a standard practice you can write your author name, problem definition and some other stuff. Now we will create a main method. I will explain the meaning about this very soon, but we are creating main method, and inside main method we will write system.out.println hello world, welcome students, a welcome message. So just save your code. I have already pressed Ctrl S, so code is saved now. On this code, right click, you will get a lot of options. So this is run file option. You can also get run file option from this menu. Run file. When we click on run file, we will get our output here at the bottom of this screen, hello world. So this is how you can run your first Java program using NetBeans. This is main method and this is class which created by us. Any logic that you want to write, you can write here. Like you can declare your variables and you can perform some subsequent operation. If, else, whatever you want to do, you can write it here.